Welcome to our channel. Today we how to configure loan payoff strategy using Bank of America balance transfer offers, full guide step by step clearly. To begin configuring your loan payoff strategy with Bank of America balance transfer offers, gather all relevant documents related to your current debts. This includes loan statements, credit card bills, and interest rate information. Next, visit the Bank of America website to review their current balance transfer offers. Look for promotional rates that offer low or 0% interest for an introductory period. Once you identify a suitable offer, check your eligibility by logging into your Bank of America account. If you're not a customer yet, consider creating an account to access the offers. After confirming your eligibility, analyze the total amount of debt you wish to consolidate. Decide on the amount you want to transfer based on your available credit limit and the offer's terms. Calculate the potential interest savings by comparing the old debt's interest rates to the new balance transfer rate. Now, initiate the balance transfer process through the Bank of America online platform. Enter the amount you wish to transfer along with the account details for your existing debt. Review any transfer fees that may apply before confirming the transaction. After the balance transfer is completed, focus on creating a repayment plan. Set a budget that allows you to pay down the transferred balance before the promotional rate ends. Consider making larger payments during the promotional period to maximize your savings. Monitor your account regularly to ensure timely payments and track your overall progress. If necessary, adjust your budget to accommodate any additional financial changes or unexpected expenses. Stay proactive by revisiting balance transfer offers periodically to find new opportunities for savings. Finally, once your transferred balance is paid off, continue to utilize the strategies learned for any future debt management. This structured approach will help you effectively pay off your loans while leveraging Bank of America's balance transfer offers. If the page does not load, refresh the browser or try again in a private or incognito window. Make sure you are using the correct email address, then retype it carefully to avoid small typos. If your password is not accepted, use the reset option and create a new strong password you can remember. Check your spam folder for verification or security emails, then complete any requested confirmation steps. Enable two-factor authentication if available to improve account security and reduce unauthorized access risk. After signing in, review your profile details so your contact information and settings are accurate and current. If you see an error message, note it down and try again after restarting your device and internet connection. Log out when you finish, especially on shared devices, to keep your account and payment information secure. Don't forget to like this video and subscribe to our channel for more step-by-step tech guides.